Ethereum is forecast to increase 2% by May 9, Crypto Predictions reports. First, here's a glimpse of the recent price direction. As of this recording, Ethereum has dropped by 2.2% over the past 24 hours and is trading around $2,281.26. Let's get into what analysts expect today. CoinDataFlow sees a slide to $2,251.01 by May 9th, a potential loss of 1.4%. Ethereum is likely to head toward $2,289 per coin price forecast, with an expected increase of 0.3%. Traders Union highlights it could edge upward to $2,307.90, marking a rise close to 1.1%. A different prediction from Crypto Predictions projects Ethereum might reach $2,328.11, about 2% higher than now. To finish, Gov Capital Collector points to $2,343.14 by May 9, which is a 2.6% increase. This is the most rewarding forecast we found. 5 predictions down. Let's keep going. Lining up the predictions, here's what they suggest. Based on the combined forecast from all analysts, the price could range between a decrease of 1.4% and a rise of 2.6%, depending on the analyst. In short, Gov Capital Collector comes out ahead with 2.6% surge in value by May 9. Put simply, you could come away with between $3 and $26 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Coin Price forecast shows the highest probability of accuracy at 82%. With all 5 forecasts combined, I've formed a unified projection. The forecasts together outline Ethereum at about $2,303.83. Here's the breakdown. The consensus readout shows the price up about 0.9% by tomorrow. And by that same percentage, your capital could potentially also grow. For a 1,000 example, the projection could indicate $9 in gain. And overall, the chance of this consensus forecast proving accurate is near 77.2%. To put it in perspective, here's what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. CoinDataFlow anticipates a quiet market where Ethereum trades sideways without major changes. The direction outlined by Coin Price Forecast also points toward further gains. The projection from Traders Union also points to higher ground for Ethereum. An advancing course is meanwhile described by Crypto Predictions. Meanwhile, Gov Capital Collector expects the chart to lean bullish over this horizon. Looking at all the views combined, the consensus indicates Ethereum is expected to follow an upward path in the near term. Taken together, most analysts expect Ethereum to move higher. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Today, we'll look at them in detail. In the end, yesterday's record shows a close at $2,291.22. Only 2 out of 5 managed to get the direction right. The smallest error belonged to the forecast of digital coin price. Now let's break things down step by step. The daily range matched 2 forecasts. For AOI, multiple analysts stayed in the green, with digital coin price leading at 1.2%. Here's the full recap, the complete breakdown of the results in one view. And looking at the numbers, 30 rates showed a forecast probability of 81.3%, an accuracy value of $83.78, and an ROI of minus 3.1%. Have a look and decide which forecast came true to life. And now let's see how tomorrow's return expectations differ among Ethereum and other assets. Ethereum ranks lower while Toncoin holds the lead at 9.9%. At this stage, Ethereum is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table with many more assets is already waiting on my website. Before you leave, like and subscribe so you can stay updated on analysts' forecasts without searching everywhere. See you in the next update.